Alright, what's going on, you guys? Finally getting to work on the clutch. It is currently January 4th. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it today, but I'm going to try to get as much as I can done. So hopefully we can go to the meet later, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, just taking out the shift boot so we can drop the trans. Got everything lifted up already. So, yep. Finally got the shifter out. Oh my gosh. Finally. Alright. We gotta do the drive shaft first and then go from there. Alright, so got the drive shaft, down pipe, and about to take the trans out, so let's go. Got some bolts out. Trying to get the ones on the top still, so yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it's not too hard. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's actually Monday. It's 2 days later. It's like 9 a.m. right now. We got here as soon as they opened. We had to clean up a whole bunch of trans fluid because it's been just leaking out of the bottom of the freaking trans while we've been gone. Still trying to get the trans out, so hopefully we can figure it out soon because I'm not trying to be here all day.
3 days later.
Really, you got it?
Oh shit.
Yeah. Like it was literally just the tip of that input shaft.
Gosh damn.
Dude, that thing.
Next time I work over, I gotta eat my wings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Destroyed.
Like I said.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Shit, it's burnt. Yeah.
It's burnt up on a storm.
Yeah, it's not
I was supposed to say, how much clutch? Look at all that
cracks.
crap.
Yeah.
I told you it was clutch. Y'all didn't think it was.
Dude, that's the shit. That's flat as heck.
Yeah, how are y'all doing to it?
Just a couple clutch kicks, you know, on some parking lots.
You're like, oh, 10,000 miles, can't do that.
Yeah. Man, the plywood doesn't look that bad though. This thing is gone.
Brian, can you start this? What do you think?
Alright, so got the clutch fork greased up and already put back together pretty much. Our clutch alignment tool actually doesn't fit on there, so we're gonna have to make one or something. But everything looks good so far. Hey guys, so as I'm editing this video, I noticed that in this clip the clutch is actually backwards, but don't worry, we fixed it later, so we're good. Couldn't get the flywheel resurfaced, unfortunately, but it should be fine, should work for now, so.
And honestly, we probably just pick it up there. If it wasn't just a pain in the butt in the trans tunnel.
Alright, we are done. We're just gonna bleed the clutch real quick and then get everything buttoned up. And then we'll see what happens. Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's actually the third day I'm trying to fix this car. Seems that the starter wire is like super rusty, so we're gonna have to, I don't know, try to clean it off or something. We also gotta still bleed the clutch and stuff, so hopefully we can get that done soon as well. I'm trying to be out here before noon, so let's go. Alright, what's going on, you guys? We actually just finished the clutch. I don't know what was going on with it, but figured it out somehow. We're about to bring the car to the back and just wash it off real quick, but yeah, hopefully nothing else goes wrong. Let's go.
I lost the shit off
is going on, you guys? It's actually the next day. We finished the clutch yesterday, so I've just been kind of cruising around, making sure everything's good. And seems that I have a boost leak right now because I took off my blow-off valve. But hopefully I fixed it. But I'm gonna just drive around a little bit. Hopefully it is fixed. So let's see. That feels so good. Oh my gosh. So I didn't have the right plug to take off my blow-off valve, so I had to like make one with this like this little metal piece and a couple hose clamps. But it works now. I just had to adjust the hose clamps a little bit. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. I've not been pulled over yet ever, so gosh, dude, this thing's insane. Let's do another little pull here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a police officer. Alright. Finally, after 3 days of battling with the trans and like just encountering a whole bunch of like problems, finally got this thing running. I would say like 95% good. I still want to do a tune on this thing before I leave, but we'll see if we could do that. This thing is rips, man. I'm literally in low boost, but it's just so loud. It's kind of I don't know, it's kind of scary. Dude, yeah, but shout out to Brian from the shop we were at, because without him, oh my gosh, it would have been so hard. Because what was weird is we were having so much trouble taking the trans out, but that's usually supposed to be the easy part, but it was super easy to put it back in for some reason. I'm only here for like another 3 weeks, so I'm gonna be cranking out so many more videos now that the car's like pretty much 100%. A whole bunch of car meets coming up this weekend as well, so there will be more content for show, folks. Cheesy.